Paano po kumuha ng service invoice as content creator? First step po, kailangan mag-register muna tayo kay BIR as a content creator. Similar din po yan sa freelancer. As self-employed individual, ang taxpayer type po is professional in general. Tapos sabay na rin po yun, usually sa BIR officer meron silang nire-recommend na printer. May ginawa po akong guide na pwede mong gamitin, The Ultimate DIY BIR Tax Compliance Guide for Freelancers. Kompleto na po yan, pati templates. Take note lang po, yung BIR Certificate of Registration, usually kaya po yan ng 1 day. Pero yung service invoice po, usually inaabot po yan ng 2 weeks. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at JE Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Kapag may question ka regarding freelancer BIR registration at ITR filing, i-comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.